All these vehicles get it removed.
Kibor Pulit District Ribhoi Rengkat Kejingan Lang Ki Pulit Special Bomb Squad Bat Kakenhuan K9. Hagajan miat jaga khatway tarik urisau arhajar arpusan kila penduk bor no ne kila Defused yo bom ID baklan bor yo balalap bat bu akawai keplayong hajan ke yang sa abril bat hajan ka Rural Bank Umsning. Kadgum kejing itu Special Superintendent Ki Pulit ke Ribhoi UVS Rathor. Mereka bahak kepornya sedang ia jan niat layo jentip halu kejinglap aku ke pelayong kebala suba badan bom kebala bu ajan ke kedop yang jong uba ne alang lendo ubari MLA barim bad ubah sa mentah Umsning bad ajan ke Rural Bank. Mereka bah kumta marmar nak kaliang ki Pulit ki lahir sekan kecaka bad ban petip ru ki Pulit ke Special Bomb Squad bag kunhon K9 ban jurep ban kandrai ke kepla. Marhadin kejing kenra lalap sisa beri ubam IED ubrang terikam bah bau udai ubadan kumbasau kilo news patch program. Balkum tamar mari Pulit kila kang la no ya kaya yang kini upat bak nang katang. Pat sedang pat ban penlip ban penduk obor yau ni ubam haduk kepor kadui beji imin mir. Show UVS Rathor ula pentip belara no ini ubam jaga tanat Umsning bala toket bah lo kejing subadon keti jung iri Runar kebelet bo ikan pela keberan ubam hajan giyang sa jong ba ne alang lengdo. Nak kaliang ki Pulit kila Lapksai gitu keberan keti bat shan ken salet ban kem no yaki.
Seven 30 p.m. we got an information that there is an abandoned bag lying in one of the buildings in the Umsning market. So based on that information, we immediately rushed the team. The bomb disposal squad came from Shillong. The K9 squad also came. And after taking all the precautions as per SOP, we found out that there was an IED, most probably using gelatin as explosives and electric detonators. So it was diffused successfully by our BDDS team, and we have seized all the materials, and investigation is going on. We have a suspect. We are trying to arrest him as quickly as possible.
So right now, sir, which means no arrests have been made so far.
Not yet, but it is highly likely that we'll pick him tonight.
Sir, since as we can like hear that this is a house of one of the well-known in Umsning area and Ribhoi district also.
Yes, yes.
So according to your is there any suspects or something, sir? Like
Of
why
course,
why this proposal had been?
It's too early to comment upon that. What was the motive behind doing all this? But we have a suspect. We're trying to pick him up. It can happen anytime soon. So we are on it.